Welcome to Midwest Dental Arts, Palm Bay. We have divided this lab into 3 parts. 1, our clinic, 2, our dental education center, and 3, our lab. So stay tuned because we're gonna start doing cases here where our lab technicians and the doctor come together to plan everything. But of course, the most important thing, we're gonna give the patient the smile that they deserve. Welcome to our clinic here at Midwest Dental Arts Palm Bay, which has their own name, Performance Dental. Here at the clinic, we have 3 dental chairs, 1 panoramic, full equipped cone beam x-ray, and a photo studio where we can plan, design, and execute the cases. We have our continuing education center with 25 full equipped dental chairs where you can practice. And of course, the doctor will be doing a live performance case in front of you. We have dental technicians from all around the world, masters of the craft in porcelain, dentures, hybrids. They're gonna be working together with you to create a beautiful smile. Please come and join us to see their work.